Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make rich beef bone broth. Roast the bones first, then transfer them to a large pot or slow cooker and cover with cold water. Add a splash of vinegar, onions, carrots, celery, and a few peppercorns, then simmer gently for many hours while skimming the surface. Strain, cool, and refrigerate. Remove fat if desired and enjoy. I like adding marrow and knuckles for gelatin and flavor, plus roasted vegetables for sweetness. Use a cold water start and 1-2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to draw minerals from the bones. For speed, pressure cook for 3 hours or slow simmer for up to 24 hours for maximum collagen. Salt near the end, finish with fresh herbs or lemon, and this broth freezes well. If your broth is cloudy, avoid boiling and skim frequently while simmering. If it tastes weak, add more roasted bones or reduce liquid to concentrate flavor or simmer longer. Store in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze in ice cube trays and larger containers for months. Reheat gently and discard if it smells sour or off, and enjoy warming bowls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.